Now, KGUN 9 on your side weather with Chief Meteorologist Erin Christiansen.
Welcome back. We have another picture of that foggy start to the day. This was taken near the San Pedro River down in Cochise County. Bob Herman sent this in. You can see the fog in the background there. Yeah, we don't start the day with fog too often here in the Old Pueblo, do we? But we did today, thanks to some of that lingering moisture from the rain we had yesterday. In case you missed it earlier, I think this bears repeating. We had record rainfall, 4/800ths of an inch of rain, just under half an inch, breaking the old record of 3/900ths set back in 1993. Now, we have had three fairly impressive storm systems during the month of November so far that have totaled about 8/300ths of an inch of rain with yesterday's system. And that might lead a person to believe we're going to have a wet winter, although the forecast isn't really saying that. Our La Nina pattern, which means cooler than normal temperatures in the ocean in the Pacific near the equator, usually leads to below average rainfall and warmer than normal temperatures, and that can lead to a bad fire season. So far, that is the outlook, but we'll keep our fingers crossed that the stormy pattern does continue. 68 degrees our high today, 74 is our average, 45 is how we started off, not too far from our normal morning low of 47 degrees. Right now, though, we're at 61 degrees at the airport. We do have a few clouds still hanging on. Wind is from the north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. Our other temperatures, 64 in Casa Grande, 62 Sal, 60 to the south in Nogales, 62 also for you in Douglas after our 67-degree high. Across Graham County, Safford at 68 today, 59 the high for Oracle. As we take a step back, we look at the bigger picture here. We still see on our futurecast, which sort of puts into pictures what the Adonis weather model is forecasting our radar and our satellite imagery to look like over the next 48 hours, still shows this area of low pressure here just to the south of us. This is the one responsible for the rain that we had yesterday. And as you watch it in motion here, it moves to the east pretty quickly. So that will leave us, and in its wake, a ridge of high pressure develops. That will keep our temps warming and our skies mostly clear until our next storm system moves in, and that is within our 7-day forecast. In the short term tonight, temperatures in the upper 30s, lower 40s, like 39 for Wilcox and Douglas. Will be at 44 Oro Valley, 45 in Sells. Sells tomorrow, though, warming you to 71. 67 in Nogales. Tucson tomorrow morning, 46. 41 for Benson. Bisbee, check out Show Low, though, not bad. 28 degrees. Phoenix, 52 overnight, and then warming to a high of 72 tomorrow. Tucson will be at 71, lower 70, sticking around by Wednesday. We start that warming trend. We'll be at 75 Thursday, 76 Friday. Saturday, we've got the bicycle in here for El Tour de Tucson, always dependent upon the weather. Knock on wood. At this point, does not look as though it's going to be too windy, rainy, snowy, sleety. Sleety. Did I just make up a word? I think that the weather is going to be pretty nice for it, and that's great considering that our bikers are always looking ahead to the forecast on that. 72 degrees the high. Our overnight lows staying in the 40s, by the way. There's the next chance for storms. I had to step out of the forecast so you could see it. Come Sunday, partly cloudy skies, a little bit of moisture moving in. Monday, a 10% chance for rain, and our temps come back down to the 60s. Hey, we're still giving away those iPads. I've heard from so many of you who want one. By the way, I don't pick the winner, just for the record. That's someone in our promotions department. But we are still giving away the iPads. You can enter the contest on our Facebook page. It's simple to do. The next winner announced tonight at 10 o'clock. KGUN 9 on your side at 6. We'll be right back.